Yes, because the most important thing really is to enjoy this particular activity. And I think also the audience are enjoying tonight. Okay, so Aya, what preparation did you do prior to this pageant?
It's sometimes tough, but we have to practice and rehearse and do these preparations and have this down, prepare all that, all the costs, but it's worth it. It's gonna be worth it.
Yes. I'm sure it's going to be worth it because your course mates are very supportive. Okay, so Aya, are you ready for the final question? Yes, she is ready. Please step forward and pick a question from the magical jar. Yes. Thank you. Here we go. Here's your question, Aya. The expression never, never give up means to keep trying and never okay, I'm sorry to repeat the question. The expression never, never give up means to keep trying and never stop working for your goals. Do you agree with the statement? Why or why not?
Yes, because as an optimist person, I always push to do things and make it happen. That's all.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4. I can please step back to give way to our candidate number 4, to Mr. DSS Rex. Rex, good evening. How do you feel? Yes, yes, because you won most of the awards, the minor awards, so what do you feel about that? You have a very supportive course mates over there and you have supportive friends in the audience. So Rex, are you ready for the final question? Yes. Okay. Jed, please pick or help you. Rex, please pick a question from the jar. Rex, are you ready? Yes. To members of the audience, please be silent while the question and answer portion is going on. Rex, here's your question. Many parts of the world are losing important natural resources, such as forests, animals, or clean water. Choose one resource that is disappearing and explain why it needs to be saved.
I would choose forest, although all those three resources are important in preserving the world. Because with forest, first, forest supplies the people with the oxygen we need. Second, the forest shelters the animals, and without animals, we would be eating just fruits and vegetables, and it would not be sufficient to give us the vitamins all the vitamins that we need. And third, the forest holds and conserves water through its roots or through the leaves or through the fruits. That can be those substitutes for clean water. And that's why I would choose to preserve the forest. And that's all.